In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple images into a panoramic using Photoshop's merge. Now, what I've done here is I've taken some photographs that are all adjacent to each other. So I set up on a tripod and I basically took pictures spinning around in a circle, but I made sure that they overlapped. Okay, it's ideal that they overlap by at least a third. So you can kind of see I'm just kind of going around in a circle on our campus, photographing so that these images overlap. It does not have to be a right to left overlap. You could go up and down for this to work, or even in a pattern. But you do want to make sure you overlap by about a third. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel that real quick, and I'll show you how to get into the actual Photomerge. So I'm just going to go into File, Automate, and down to Photomerge. Then Photoshop's going to ask me what files do I want to use. And honestly, I'm just going to stick with Auto on this. I'm going to go to Browse. I'm going to go find my photos that I wanted to use. I'm going to select all those, and I'm going to say Open. Next, I'm going to say OK. And what Photoshop's going to do is it's going to open each image. It's going to look at the overlap, figure out what needs to happen to make those line up, and then it's going to sort of overlay them on top of each other in one big long panoramic. The hard part is really photographing the images up front. Photoshop does most of the work for you after that. Okay, so there's my image. Now what will happen, and you can see that it's happened here, is that because of curvature of lens and whatnot, there is some distortion that takes place of the images in order to make them line up with each other. So usually you do have to go back in and do a bit of cropping. And we know our crop tool from way back. I'm going to select my crop tool, and I'm just going to crop this so that I sort of get rid of all that little wavy stuff at the top and bottom. Hit enter or return to keep the change. And I'll just zoom in on that for you. Now you can see my lovely panorama. It looks like I'm standing out in the college courtyard, spinning around in a circle. All right, that's all there is to Photomerge. Pretty handy tool.